Hi everyone. Today I am going to share with you a beautiful story, Golden Buddha. Once upon a time, the government of Thailand decided to build a highway in Bangkok through a location where an old temple stood, जहाँ महात्मा बुद्ध की एक बहुत बड़ी मूर्ति थी. One day, when they were moving that giant 10 feet tall statue, one of the monks noticed a large crack in the clay. On close investigation, he saw एक सुनहरा प्रकाशपुंज फूट रहा है भीतर से. भिक्षु स्तब्ध रह गया. He used a flashlight, hammer and a chisel to chip away the exterior clay. हथौड़ी और छेनी की सहायता से जैसे ही उसने वह मिट्टी की परत हटाई, he revealed the statue was made up of solid gold. Historians believe the Buddha had been covered with clay by Thai monks several years earlier to protect it from an attack by Burmese army. And all those monks were killed in that war with this secret hidden in their hearts. Normally, this accidental damage would be a source of great sadness, but this discovery of Golden Buddha inside was a moment of immense happiness. The story also symbolizes we all have our own version of Golden Buddha inside us. The metaphor is that each of us is golden by nature. But the unfortunate thing is that majority of people live a whole lifetime without discovering their golden Buddha. वह संपदा जो हम सब लेकर पैदा हुए हैं, उससे अनभिज्ञ ही जीवन चुक जाता. We are born with knowing everything, but as we learn certain ways of living, we put a case of mud stone over the Buddha. And slowly we start to believe we are the stone Buddha, not the golden Buddha. फिर कोई और मिट्टी का माधव कह भी दे तो बुरा क्या मानना, जब हमने स्वयं ही अपने को मिट्टी पत्थर का समझ लिया हो. A study reveals only 2% of the people consider themselves beautiful. That means so many of us just look in the mirror and see only mud and concrete casing. अपना गोल्डन बुद्धा हमें अपने आप को ही दिखाई नहीं पड़ता. So, reveal your golden core. At the root of the root and the core of the core, your spirit is gold. You were born that way, but we used to pile up layers of clay on our golden Buddha. It is our limited thinking, unconscious conditioning, हमारी शंकाएं, धारणाएं, अविश्वास, fears, facts हमें हमारे भीतरी सत्य से हमें दूर ले जाते. Eventually, we are so laden with clay that we forget that the golden Buddha is there all the time. So, all we need to do, start chipping away at the clay and rediscovering that things we are passionate about. You know, we all are hiding something. Often, it is our best and priceless assets. Search for it, unveil it. खोजें अपने आप को. Trust yourself enough to let it shine forth. Trust that others will thrill to receive it. Once you spot that glimmer of gold, you will never want to hide under heavy clay again. सारी संपदा अपनी आप स्वयं है. जो भी मूल्यवान है, अमूल्य है, वह बाहर कहीं नहीं है. परमात्मा अंतर में ही विराजमान है. To conclude, like that monk, we just need a flashlight, means vision. Nazar, दृष्टिकोण. Chisel means precision, exactness. खोदना कहाँ है? And a hammer means determination, दृढ़ निश्चय. To uncover our golden Buddha, or say to reveal gold inside us. Thank you. That is all for today.